Dear friends, so in the series of learning simple programs, so in C programming, so we are just seeing about the pattern, how to make the patterns. So we have seen one simple pattern program in the previous class. So in this class also, the by using the same code, so how to modify this pattern means right now, okay, we have only the stars. So instead of stars, suppose if we want to print numbers, what we supposed to do? Okay, very simple. So okay, the program is okay, the same program only we are going to use it. So what we have seen in the previous class, same program. So everything. So here, okay, we have a two for loops, and it's just we are okay. So I and j. So as we say, okay, we have seen that regarding this program, this pattern. So we had a ing I equal to up to 4 and j also is up to 4. So for that is why this maximum, this number represents what is this maximum I, that means what is the row number. So and here also, okay, here we are just giving the condition, so based on that only we are getting this pattern. So instead of this stars, suppose if you want to get the numbers, so what we supposed to do? Suppose if you want to get the numbers everywhere, suppose if you want to get here it is okay, just let's say here it is 1, and yeah, here it is 1, and then here it is 2, so we can just say yeah, so it is something like this. So here it is 2, so here also 2, then here it is 3, here also 3, and 3, and here it is 4, here it is 4, here 4. So like this pattern, suppose if you want to get like this pattern, very simple. Okay, we are just not going to take any complex steps. So the same program, so in that instead of stars, we want to print okay, in the first row 1, second row 2 2, third row 3 3, fourth row 4 4. So it means okay, so it is okay, it representing the rows, that means ith. So I, whenever I is equal to 1, so 1 is printed. Whenever I equal to 2, 2 is printed. I equal to 3, 3 is printed. 4, 4 is printed. So very simple. So here also we can just instead of star, we are just going to replace with the I. That's it. Because I only, every row I, okay, that based on the I only, the numbers also printed. So here just for printing the number, so we need to give a format specifier. So this is okay. So then format specifier, then I. So that's it. So then okay, this when you are just changing the printf like this, then we'll be getting this pattern. So so very simple. Okay, whenever I equal to 1, so we can just see the loop how it works. I equal to 1, so then condition we are checking 1 less than or equal to 4, yes, condition true. Then we are coming into this loop. Then j equal to 1, so and j is 1, so j less than or equal to 1 I, that means 1 less than or equal to 1, so condition true. So then we are entering here, so now percentage d, okay, it means that number okay will be printed I. So I equal to, that means I is nothing but 1, so 1 will be printed. So again we are just going back here, so after printing the 1, we are just going back and doing the increment. So now j becomes 2, then again we are checking the condition 2 less than or equal to 1, so condition false. So we are just coming out of this loop and then going back to the first loop. The first loop we are doing the increment. So now initially I was 1, now I is incremented to 2. Then we are checking the condition 2 less than or equal to 4, condition true. Again we are coming inside, then we are okay, just seeing this. So j is again, now also j is 1 only, j is 1, then 1 okay, that means 1 less than or equal to 2. So now okay, we have to see, so condition true, that means 1 less than or equal to 2, because I know I is 2, so condition true. So then okay, we are just coming here, and then okay, we are printing. So now initially only one I, okay, So j is okay, j for the jth one we are printing I. So I is okay, now it is 2. So I is 2, okay, for the first this j equal to 1. So then we are going back and doing the increment. So now j becomes 2 2. So now j is 2, then 2 less than or equal to 2. So condition true. Again we are coming inside and then again we are printing, because now also I is 2 only. So 2 again will be printed. So like this, okay, okay, when I equal to 3, then okay, again we are getting this pattern. When I equal to 4, then we are getting this pattern. So very simple, okay, just instead of stars, we have replaced, okay, that I, just instead of printing the star, we are just replaced with I. So that is the reason we are getting each row, that according to the row numbers, so we are getting the pattern. Okay, so instead of I, suppose if you replace this into j, what happens? So that is what we have to see. Suppose if you are here, just we can just see that if instead of I, if you are replacing with j, then what happens? So yes, so here just we can just see, yeah. So this is okay. Now we have the printf, instead of I, now we are replacing with the j. So now how this program works and what kind of pattern we are going to get it here. So we'll see. So okay, the first one, I throw is same. Okay, I throw is doing the increment. Okay, then 1 2 3 4. So this row will be same. Then this condition also, the jth row, that means jth column, that is also same. Only here we have replaced the j, that means instead of I, now replaced j. So this loop works. That means we'll see what kind of pattern we are getting. So when j equal to that means when j equal to 1, then okay, here okay, we are checking the condition. When j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I. So okay, that means j is 1, then 1 less than or equal to 1, okay, so 1 less than or equal to 1. So condition true, we are coming here. So now what happened, there is since okay, j is 1, the j1 will be printed here. Okay, so that means now okay, the new pattern we can just say here, the j1, this one only already it is there, this one will be printed. So then we are going back and doing the increment. Okay, so now j becomes 2 2. Now j becomes 2 2. Then now what happened, we are just checking the condition. Okay, so 2 less than or equal to 1. So 2 less than or equal to this 1 condition okay, fails. So we are coming out of this loop. Then we are going back and we are doing the increment. So now I becomes 2 2. Then we are checking the condition, 2 less than or equal to 4, condition true. Then we are entering into this loop. Now okay, again we are just doing this. That means now j is 1, but I is 2. So j is 1, I is 2. So it means now okay, we are just seeing j 1 less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 2. Okay, so 1 less than or equal to 2, yes, condition true. Then okay, we are entering here. Now j is 1. So again here, that means instead of 2, 1 will be printed. So that is what we have to understand. So instead of 2, 1 will be printed here. Then now after printing 1, just again we are going back and then doing the increment. So now j becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 2, because I is 2. So 2 less than or equal to 2, condition true. 2 less than or equal to 2, condition true. Again we are coming inside. Now what happened, j is 2, because j has been incremented to 2. So now j is 2. So since this condition is true, then okay, is coming inside, it is printing j. So since now j is 2, here j will be 2 will be printed. So that is what we have to understand. 2, okay, already 2 is there, yes, here 2 will be printed. Then okay, now what happened, okay, again we are going back and doing the increment and we are checking 3, yeah, now j is incremented to 3, previously 2, it is, now it is 3. 3 less than or equal to 2, no, condition fails, okay. So we are just coming out of this loop and going back to the first loop. Now okay, I is incremented to 3, so now I is 3, so that means I is 3, so now I is 3, then what happened, we are just replace, that means checking the condition, 3 less than or equal to 4, 3 less than or equal to 4, yes, condition true, then we are coming here, okay, entering into this loop. Now j is 1, okay, so again what happened, j is 1, then okay, we are checking the condition, 1 less than or equal to 3, now because 1 less than or equal to 3, yeah, condition true, we are entering here, then okay, now we are printing j, okay, so here again j will be there, here again j will be there, so nothing but 1, so 1 will be printed. So then okay, after printing 1, now okay, again we are going back and doing the increment, so now j becomes 2, so 2 less than or equal to 3, 2, yeah, 2 less than or equal to 3, yes, condition true, so okay, again we are entering here, then okay, now we are printing j, now j is 2, so 2 will be printed, so it means here instead of 3, so 2 will be there, now 2 will be printed. So then okay, again we are going back and doing the increment, now j becomes 3, 3 less than or equal to 3 less than or equal to 3, yes, condition true, okay, again okay, condition true, then again we are entering here, so we are printing now, so j, now j is 3, so 3 will be printed. So then similarly here also, so instead of, yeah, the same manner, instead of okay, we will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, this is what I will be getting. So this is a pattern we will be getting from this program. So I hope okay, how this changing the star into I and j, how the pattern changes. We have seen okay, when I is when we have changed the star into I, we had only 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Then now okay, we have changed that star into j, how okay, here in the first row 1 and second row 1, 2, third row 1, 2, 3, fourth row 1, 2, 3, 4, this pattern we are getting. Then suppose if you want to get the reversed pattern, so that also we can just see. So the reversed pattern is something like this, okay, we just instead of doing the increment, post increment, we'll be doing the decrement. So instead of doing the, so that means this we can just see here how this is going to work. So it means yeah, suppose we want the pattern something like this, we want the pattern, it is okay, here we have stars, so here we have the stars, then stars, okay, so like this, then stars, okay, then yeah, yes, okay, so we have a such kind of pattern now, okay. So this pattern, how it will be printed, so very simple, okay, we just do the reverse. So previously it was in the that means triangle, like a right angle triangle, now it is okay, inverted right angle triangle we can say, okay. So now how this to obtain this pattern, so this just change the condition, that means I will be the same, I will be the same, because I every time is incremented, and then okay, we have up to 4. Then what about j, so that is what we have to see. J, we are just okay, changing the condition, j only okay, now plays the role. So j, okay, the condition is okay, we are just changing. So now j equal to, okay, j equal to we are just saying 4, j is 4, then j. Now instead of less than or equal, we are putting greater than or equal to I, greater than or equal to yeah, greater than or equal to I. Then not I, okay, greater than or equal to, yes, we can just say it is yeah, j is okay, greater than or equal to I. Then j minus minus. So now okay, decrement. Okay, so we are going for the post decrement. So now here we want a star only, so we'll just give a tab space. Okay, this. Okay, so okay, that's it. Okay, so we have just written the program. So here only thing, this condition, that means increment. Okay, we are giving the higher number, means what is the maximum, okay, jth value. So that is what here we give. And j, now okay, we are just giving, previously it was less than or equal, now we are giving greater than or equal I. So then j minus minus means it is the post decrement. So how this works, we will see. This works okay, in a same manner whatever we have seen in the previous programs. So now okay, we will see this program. So we did not disturb the ith row, only jth row we have changed. How it works, we will see. So now initially I equal to 1, I is 1. Then we are checking the condition, I less than or equal to 4, condition true. Then we are entering here, entering into this loop. Then okay, now okay, j is 4. What we say is j is, now j is 4, j is 4. Then we are checking the condition, j greater than or equal to I, means because j is okay 4. So 4 greater than or equal, that means greater than or equal to 1, because I is 1. So okay, 4 greater than or equal to 1, condition true. So we are entering here, then we are printing the star. So first two, okay, this star will be printed. It means this star we are printing based on this condition, 4 greater than or equal to 1, condition true. So we are entering into this loop, and then okay, we are printing the star. Then again we are going back, now doing the decrement. Instead of doing the, in previous program and all, we were doing the increment. Now we are doing the decrement. Now j becomes 3, because j initially 4, so we are doing the decrement, j becomes 3. So now j is 3, 3 greater than or equal to I. So now okay, j is okay 3, so 3 greater than or equal to 1. So what happened, okay, condition true. So again we are entering here, and okay, so we are printing this. So this condition is true, then okay, entering here, and we are printing second star. Okay, then now again we are going back and doing the decrement. So previously it is 3, now it is okay 2. So we are decrement, okay, doing the decrement. So from 3 to 2. So 2 less than or equal to, okay, now j is 3, that means yeah 2. So now 2 greater than or equal to 1. Yeah, we are checking the condition true. Okay, we are entering here, then okay, we are printing the star again. So that is how okay, we are getting the star. So then again we are going back and doing the decrement. Now j becomes from 2 to 1. So now j is 1, j greater than or equal to 1. So yes, j is 1. So that means 1 greater than or equal to 1. Yeah, condition true. So again we are entering here. So we are printing the star. So that is how okay, we are getting the star also. Okay. So that is how the first row stars are printed. Okay. Based on this condition, then okay, we have printed all these 4 stars. Okay. So now okay, again when you go for the decrement, so okay, previously it is 1. So now if we are doing the decrement, it will become 0. So 0, okay, 0 greater than or equal to, that means if you say 0 greater than or equal to 1, condition fails. Okay, so we are coming out of this loop and then going back to the first loop. That means now we are doing the increment. That means I now is incremented to 2, because initially I is 1, now okay, I is incremented to 2. We are checking the condition, I less than or equal to 4, condition true. Is that means 2 less than or equal to 4, condition true. Again we are entering into this loop. Now what happened? We have to see, that means how this loop is going to work. Okay, so for the that when I equal to 2, so it means we will just yeah, this. Okay, so now what happened? Yeah, now I is 2, now I is 2, then yeah, we are just coming here, then now j is okay 4, so j is 4, j okay, now we are checking the condition 4 less than or equal to, sorry, greater than or equal to 2, so 4 greater than or equal to 2, condition true, so we are entering here, and then okay, before that what happened, we have because of the next line character, okay, from here we have come to this one. Okay, we are from this first row to this one, so that is okay, that is because of the next line character. Okay, so that we have seen in our previous class itself. So now what happened, 4 less greater than or equal to 2, so it means the condition true. Okay, here we are entering here, and okay, then we are printing one star. Okay, so the condition true. Okay, we are printing the first one, first star we are printing. Then okay, we are going back and doing the decrement. Okay, now j is okay 3, from 4 to 3 decrement. Okay, it is decreased to 3, so 3 greater than, now okay, j is 3, so 3 greater than or equal to 2, condition true. Okay, so then again we are just entering here, then we are printing the star. Okay, so now okay, after printing the star we are going back, and then okay, now j is 2 because of the decrement. Okay, now j is 2, so 2 okay, now we are checking 2 greater than or equal to 2, it means 2 greater than or equal to 2, yeah, condition true. Again we are entering here. Okay, we are entering into this loop, then okay, again we are printing this star. Okay, so that is how okay we got this star. Then okay, now again we are going back and doing the decrement. Now okay, j is that means yeah, j is 1, so 1 less than, that means 1 greater than or equal to 2, condition fails. Okay, so this condition fails, so what happened, we are coming out of this loop. Okay, since the condition fails, we are coming out of this loop, and now okay, because of the next line character, our